we're stopping in Winston-Salem at Taco Bell to get a bite to eat for lunch. We were going to Chick-fil-A, but with road construction, we couldn't figure out how to get over to it, so we came up on Taco Bell, and here we are. We're just 45 minutes away from our destination. All the corn here is tasseled and drying up. Sitting in a red light, we see that church over there with the siding or something blown off of it. We're almost there to our destination. Okay, we have arrived at my cousin Bobby and his wife Donna's house in Ocean Isle, and they've lived here for about 1.5 years now, and they've been begging me to come visit, so here I am with my 2 brothers, and it's beautiful here. Beautiful. Look at this tree with all the knots. Look at that big knot on that tree. The landscaping is beautiful. And love the line here at the entrance. And I'm going to take you on a tour of their home. It's a 3-car garage. And let's just go inside. Look at the view already. You come in and you go upstairs. We are in the entry foyer right now. Bobby's office is to the left with a half bath here. They redid this room. It used to be dark cherry and they painted the cabinets, and it used to be dark red flooring, and they put this new flooring down. But look at the view that he has to work from. And then we'll go back through the foyer. And it opens up. Dining area. Table is custom made by one of their customers who stays in their condos that they rent. Donna's in the kitchen getting more drinks in the fridge. Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
Beautiful kitchen, and Donna has always been such a good cook, and I don't know how you all stay so skinny with the way she cooks. You used to do catering, didn't you?
Yeah.
I thought you did. And she had a custom drapery business that she made draperies for people. And she made draperies for me too.
Yes, we did. Mm-hmm. We did.
So the kitchen is beautiful, and there's pantries there and laundry room around the corner. And this is my abode while I'm staying with them. Just meager means. I feel like a queen in this room. I feel I'm at Paula Dean's house. And a door that goes outside. Look what a view. Big king-size bed. Closet on each side here. Entering the bathroom. Very pretty coastal decor. Coastal colors. Like the artwork. And upstairs are more bedrooms and bathrooms, so I won't go up there for the video, but let's go outside. This is where they live, is outside. And they've got this nice covered area. I guess you call it the lanai. And it's screened in here. It wraps around. Dining outside too. And we go out here, and this is her vegetable garden in her tier garden. Look at the little cherry tomatoes that she has growing. Tomatoes here. It's doing good. Got little tomato plants coming out down at the bottom. But look at the lagoon here. There's right on a golf course. They used to have like a 6-foot alligator last year that lived in the pond, but they've not seen him this year. They named him Elvis. And then they have the infinity pool and the hot tub. Outdoor kitchen. And Bobby has got the wood fire pizza oven going. He's fixing us a pizza for our dinner tonight. And I'm sure it's going to be good. And he's got a boat out on the boat dock. And after dinner later this evening, he's going to take us out for an evening cruise on the Intercoastal Waterway here. It doesn't get much better than this, you all. What a view. Beautiful. I was waiting until I swallowed my food, but it's delicious. Best pizza I've ever eaten.
Oh, now that's a big statement. I don't know.
Yeah,
That's bacon.
bacon that's been candied and put into a jelly.
It's red pepper bacon jam. Is that what it's called?
Red pepper bacon.
Oh, yeah, we've watched it.
Invariably, they one on either side of the whole side and all of them. They go away.
Yeah, 50 years.
Is it messing up your hair too? Is it messing up your hair?
I've got some.
Are you beaching here?
Oh, wow. Like we take
Sweet.
it over. So we're just, I guess I've never walked here.
How about right here?
We won't sink it like sink sand.
normally underwater.
Quicksand, will we?
I'm gonna leave my phone until people say.
I think I'll stay on the boat. I'm an air gal, not a water gal. So I'll make sure nobody. I don't sound real. I'll make sure the boat doesn't float away.
All right, you and Phyllis, y'all go be in the boat.
I'll bring the boat back to you. It starts to float out to the ocean. How about that deal?
I'll let you get out.
Well, then I should sit over here to balance.
us out.
Well, I don't know. Where should I? It's not deep.
Get my shoes off.
I thought maybe they're 6.
There's a model that we met out on the beach.
Yes, that model. I'm all banged up.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful sunset.
It is. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
It's an Android of some sort, right? Or is it a Samsung?
This is a restaurant where you can park your boat at and go in and eat.
He never goes out. I know he's dad will say that. His son will say that.
Yeah. Yeah. Teddy's got a story about when my dad had an old, what kind of boat was it? It's a little pleasure boat. And he had it parked down at Cherokee Lake. And we lived in Wise, Virginia at the time. Okay, go ahead, Teddy.
Anyway, it was our senior year, and some of my friends said, can you get your dad to let us borrow his boat? So I said, I'll ask him. We went down there and camp out for the weekend. Anyway, he said, yeah, you can do that. Just take care of it. So we went down on a Friday afternoon, got the boat, put it in the water. and we would roll up and down the lake there, and we bought gas. We bought containers of gas down there to put it into the tank and gas tank. And so we got out in Little Cherokee Lake on Saturday morning. Just like this, just running up down, and we run out of gas.
Oh
no! Finally, we had some paddles in there, so we were trying to paddle that boat. It was like a 14 or 16 foot runabout. That's what it was. And it's too much weight to move them. Finally, this guy come along in another boat, took the rope to us, took us to the nearest dock, and we bought gas. You know, gas back then was like 35, 32 cents a gallon. Well, at the boat dock, it's like 60 cents a gallon. And I'd say all of us together down there, we probably didn't go down there with $10. So in one day's time, we spent all the money we had on gas.
Did you get the boat back in one piece?
Yeah, we did. We got it back in the lot. Even cleaned it up a little bit. Caught some fish. Because we hadn't caught any fish, we'd have started there.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was a good trip.
Oh, good. I think the cool air is causing you to cough and starting to talk. We're going to get you some more cough drops. Me too. Yeah. This is Bobby's house with the blue lights around the outside. That's Bobby's house with blue lights, sitting here on the Intercoastal Waterway. We've had a great time on this cruise. The lift is crooked and Bobby is having to raise it up and then lay it back down. So Bobby is over there at his lift working on it, trying to get it leveled back out so he could put the boat back on it. Isn't this a beautiful boat? And we've had a wonderful time tonight. Met new friends. Bobby, do you go by Bobby?
Hello.
Oh, we're live.
And Glenda.
And we're just hanging around, holding on to the boat.
Yeah, so it don't float away.
Yeah, we're just hanging around.
And Donna's here.
Hello, hello. And I think Teddy and Johnny Ray are down there with Bobby helping him get the lift straightened out. And I don't know where Phyllis went.